Eric from Eugene, Oregon writes to me, Paul, I'm having an electrician install a dedicated circuit for my stereo. Nicely done, Eric. Does using a high-quality power conditioner, or more specifically a PS Audio power regenerator, like the P10, 15, or 20, negate or completely eliminate the potential sonic advantages of installing a dedicated home circuit? I currently use an AudioQuest conditioner, but am considering moving to a regenerator. It does not negate. No, you still have an advantage using a dedicated line. So when we built this facility for our listening rooms, we have dedicated lines to every single outlet. It helps from grounding. So, and let's talk about that for a second. A lot of people don't really think a lot about grounding. We think about the power. We think about the 110 volts, 230 volts, whatever you got on those lines. But what about the grounding? Because remember, noise, all of that goes through these grounds. And so a dedicated line also has dedicated grounding, and it kind of takes it back to a star ground. So that is, if you did nothing else, just having all that star grounding, that dedicated ground lines, cleans up the system dramatically. It really makes a big difference. And that's just one of those little side benefits that a regenerator is not going to help you with, that your AudioQuest power conditioner is not going to help you with. Grounding, big deal. Separate lines, absolutely, that can help, because a power regenerator like a P20 absolutely just sounds a lot better than the AudioQuest power than any passive power conditioner, not to pick on anybody. And there's a whole bunch of reasons why, which we're not going to get into. But it isn't perfect either. It is a electronic contraption that, while it regulates and cleans up, it is also dependent on its source. So the better the source, the better it can perform. And the better the source, dedicated line. The quieter the ground, dedicated ground, built into that dedicated line. So you have every reason in the world to be thankful that you're doing a dedicated ground and your dedicated line, which is all part and parcel of it. And yeah, I would highly recommend sampling out a power regenerator and just take one home. That's why you pick one up, we send it to you, you can play with it for a month and listen to it. If it doesn't do it, send it back. That's why we do this. Try and make it easy. Okay? All right. Good luck. Have fun. I think you're going to do just fine. All right.